let me say, we are proudly Nigerian in SCM Capital, and we're very proud of our nation, Nigeria. Our founding vision was based on being the preferred financial services provider, and our mission is to promote value-adding business relationship. When we set out from the beginning, we were very clear on what we wanted to do, not just to offer superior products or services, but to offer products and services that will offer superior returns to meet the aspirations of our investing public. But more than that is to build long-term, mutually beneficial relationships. But why do I say long-term? In investing is a long-term business, different from savings and other aspects of finance. Typically, we want to stay with the client throughout the financial life of the client.
Actually, our operations are underpinned by integrated systems for portfolio management, client servicing, reporting, and compliance. Processes are designed to ensure efficiency, accuracy, and regulatory adherence, providing a seamless experience for clients. We actually leverage state-of-the-art digital platform for trading, portfolio analysis, client reporting, and enterprise resource planning, which enhance efficiency, transparency, and decision-making.
Risk management is really the core of everything we do in SCM Capital. Our approach is structured, proactive, and embedded across all the levels of the organization. We focus on identifying, assessing, and mitigating all risks, especially market, credit, and operational risks, through our solid risk management framework, clear accountability, and a risk-aware culture. Guided by our board-defined risk appetite, we align all business decisions with regulatory standards and our capacity to manage potential losses. So continuous monitoring, data-driven analysis, and transparent reporting ensure we stay ahead in managing risk while protecting our capital, profitability, and our reputation.
We understand the role that finance plays in the life of any entity, be it an individual, be it a corporate organization, be it a public institution. It's very critical. So we're set out to create value. In all of the relationships that we have as human beings, value is an essential part of it. It's the value that people bring to the table that's very important. And at SCM Capital, that's what we bring to the table always. We want to promote value-adding business relationship. What is value? Value sometimes can be defined in the context of whoever is expecting that value. But in our space, in the investment banking space, what is critical is we are able to deliver on our deals that clients bring to us in terms of originating transactions, originating deals, in the execution, and also in the distribution. Those things are very, very critical. And more importantly, as to every investor, returns are really very key. And we try as much as possible to ensure that we're able to sustainably generate very industry competitive returns. And again, we want to be an active player in the capital market space.
Well, of course, operational challenges mainly revolve around navigating regulatory update and scaling process to match growth. However, we address this through proactive systems enhancement, staff training, and automation where possible.
It's a monitoring, compliance, and regulatory risk is a continuous process. So we are very much equipped with the knowledge about the rules and regulations of our regulators, laws that govern us, and our approved internal policies and procedures. We ensure that every part of the organization operates within these laws and regulations. And then we also ensure that we combine continuous review, audits, and regular assessments and reporting. We stay up to date on relevant laws and regulations, ensuring that our policies and procedures are aligned with current requirements.
Participating in the development of the market and also being there for our clients when they need us.
We also leverage on technology for continuous reporting and monitoring. Then, very essentially, our continuous staff training reinforces our compliance culture and supports consistent adherence across the organization.
In investment decision, research is very critical because it gives information about what is happening around the investment, not only in the immediate environments of the investment, but even outside of the environment. So the research report gives an idea as to the macroeconomic indicators, what influence will it play in the investment decision. So we'll provide that insights into how the portfolio will be performing, what the investment will be doing as a whole lot, and in terms of the risk assessments, in terms of the timing of the investment, entry and exit, and then the interplay of a whole lot of other dynamics that informs your buy and sell decisions as regards your portfolio.
Regular reviews and proactive assessment help identify potential compliance gaps before they become real issues.
All right, so SCM Capital, with the current trajectory, I'm seeing SCM amongst the global players in investments, all right? The likes of the Goldman Sachs, the likes of a whole lot of investment institutions across the world. So with the current level of the management, the strategies that SCM has been able to put in place, then we will be playing at the global standard. We will leave even the domestic environment, because right now we command a whole lot within the domestic space, and we are expanding our frontier as well.
SCM Capital has a strong track record in Nigeria capital market space, providing advisory services, additional services across equity, debt, hybrid instruments for both private and public companies as well as governments. We've participated in transactions exceeding 5 trillion naira. Our strength lies in combining sound structuring, regulatory expertise, and market insight to help our clients raise and deploy capital efficiently.
Our operations are streamlined through 4 key points, which are: number 1, structure process. We have a technology-enabled HR management, then compliance tracking system, then facility oversight that enables or ensure optimal workflow and employee satisfaction.
Nigeria's capital markets are in a phase of modernization marked by renewed investors' confidence and increased product innovation, all underpinned by regulatory reforms. The ISA, which was recently signed, is a landmark development that we believe is going to be pivotal in ensuring transparency, investor protection, also broadening the investable assets classes we have in the industry. We're seeing stronger capital market transactions, that can be seen from the primary activities. We've seen a lot of capital raises in recent times as a result of the reforms that's been put in place. The NGX market capitalization has rose by 44% in the third quarter of 2025, that's September 2025. That's reflecting renewed momentum. Another key trends which we're beginning to see is the growing participation of retail and also foreign participation, supported by fintech platforms. I don't want to mention any name right now, but we've seen a lot of transactions from those ends of the market. So we're seeing rise of ETFs. All of this has been underpinned by the reforms, which has also eased cross-border transactions. And a big mention is the FX reforms, which has brought about a lot of foreign participations in the capital market space. While challenges remain, such as high cost of capital, persistent inflation, and we still have some form of moderate FX volatility. The overall outlook for the Nigerian capital market space remains positive, with significant opportunities for institutions that can navigate the evolving market landscape.
We foster a culture of inclusivity, meritocracy, and continuous development. Staff welfare is prioritized through professional development programs, wellness initiatives, and recognition of achievements in SCM Capital.
Well, our stack include advanced trading platforms, cloud-enabled client portal, portfolio management system, an AI-driven analytical tool that enhance decision-making, client engagement, and operational efficiency. We deployed multi-levels cybersecurity protocol, end-to-end encryption, continuous monitoring, and regular vulnerability and penetration testing to ensure that we safeguard our clients' data and ensure operational integrity.
I've been right from the beginning. This is my 28 years. We work as a team. It's a place that you can belong. There's love, there's unity, and they give you go ahead to do whatever you want.